Hi there, welcome to another training tutorial on statistical package. In our last video tutorial, I asked the question that if you want me to do a video tutorial on how to recode the age that we have in the data, that you should drop a comment. And so here is me doing a training video on how to recode the age in Stata. So just a brief, just to show us what we, the age that we have in the data. So remember, you use tab to view the age, to get a descriptive of the age. So here is the age that we have in the data. We have the age like this, the age from 14 years to 49 years, 49 being the oldest age. So, and I explained earlier in the previous tutorial video that reporting age like this could be wouldn't be very good for you, because it would be too cumbersome for you for even the people that will be reading the report to be able to read this kind of report, and even for you to give a report of this age might be, if you have to imagine if you have to do a report on age 14 years, 15 years separately, 16 years separately, you can easily just group these ages together. Like for instance, 14 to 19, you can group it together and report for that lot, and for 20 to 24, and like that. So in a way, you break down the age into groups, making it much more easier and simpler to understand and to report. So to do this, one of the things that we need to do is first of all, we need to record the age. So record age, record our age. As record age. Yeah, record age as 14 to 19 is equal to 1. 20 to 24 is equal to 2. 25 to 29 is equal to 3. 30 to 34 is equal to 4. 35 to 39 is equal to 5. 40 to 44 is equal to 6. And 45 to 49 is equal to 7. So then it includes generate age group. So what am I trying to do here? So I'm recording this age into range, then telling Stata to generate another variable, which will be age group. So you see, so now you see what happened in the result, in our result window here. Stata is telling me that we have 499 different between age and age group. We have 499 different new entry. So now that's not all. So now we now need to label define age group. Label define age group. One is equal to 14 to 19. So what I'm doing here, the difference between what I'm doing here and what I did previously is that the previous one is recording the age into groups, while here I'm defining a label that is what will be displayed, what the what is 18 to 49, sorry, 18 to 19 will be labeled as. It will be labeled as this one will be later. So it's grouping 14 to 19 as 1. So now that 1 here, now I'm defining that 1 to be 14 to 19, so as a label. So it's going to label it as 14 to 19. So that is the difference between what I did earlier and what I'm doing now. So that I get the difference. So that's 1. Then 2 to be 20 to 24. 20 to 24. 3 will be 25 to 29. 4 will be 30 to 34. 5 will be 35 to 39. And 6 will be 40 to 44. And the last one, 7, will be 45 to 49, which is the last age bracket that we have. So now press enter. So now we've labeled. So now we now need to label values. Label values. Label values. Age group. As age. Sorry. So that I picked the wrong variable there. So label age group as age. So press enter. So now if we tab this now, if we tab our age now, sorry. Now if we tab our age now, done. So yes, so I was trying to see what. So initially before I said label values age group as age, but then it's supposed to be label values age as age group. So now if we tab age now, we should have age group. So now we'll type label values age group as age group. As age group. Label values age group as age group. So now once I now tab, because remember I said initially when I was recording the age, I recorded into a new variable called age group. So now we'll now have a new variable called age group in our data set. So now I'm going to be tabbing age group. Tab age group here. Voila, as you can see in our results window here, we now have our recorded age as showing the frequency 14 to 19 years. The frequency is 95, 20 to 24, down to 45 to 49. So that is how to record your age or to record a variable in Stata. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any question, any query, anything you don't understand, remember to drop a comment under this video. I'll be more than delighted to do a training video on your question. Thank you very much for now. Peace out. Bye.